The Inner Citadel, 14-day Stoic journey. Day 2, the dichotomy of control. Stop spending your life on things that were never yours to control. There is one idea in Stoic philosophy that, if you truly understand it, not just intellectually but in your bones, will change the way you move through every single day for the rest of your life. Epictetus called it the dichotomy of control, and it is devastatingly simple. Some things are up to us, some things are not. That's it. That is the whole idea. And yet, most of us spend the majority of our mental energy on the second category, the honest inventory. Think about the last time you felt genuinely anxious. Was it about something you could change or something you couldn't? The opinion someone had of you, whether a business deal would go through, what the economy's doing, whether your message was left on read. We pour ourselves into these things. We lie awake about them. We rehearse conversations. We check our phones at 2 a.m. All for things that in the end were never ours to control. What is actually yours? Epictetus, who was born a slave, who had no freedom, no wealth, no status, said this: "Seek not that the things which happen should happen as you wish, but wish the things which happen to be as they are, and you will have a tranquil flow of life." A man with nothing taught us that real freedom is an inside job. What is yours? Your thoughts, your response, your effort, your values, your attention. That is the whole kingdom. Everything else is weather. The modern application. Here's what this looks like in real life. You cannot control whether your content goes viral. You can control how consistently and honestly you create. You cannot control whether someone loves you back. You can control how faithfully and fully you love. You cannot control what the market does. You can control your preparation, your patience, your discipline. The moment you stop fighting the weather and start investing in what is actually yours, something shifts. The anxiety doesn't disappear overnight, but it loosens its grip. Today's practice: take a piece of paper, draw a line down the middle. On the left, write everything that is currently draining your mental energy. On the right, mark each one. Is it in your control or not? Everything in the "not in my control" column, practice releasing it today. Not ignoring it, releasing it. There is a difference. Epictetus also said, "He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has." Tomorrow we go deeper.